Recitations that are and are not disliked in prayer. 414 in prayer, any one of the 7 mutawatir authentic, well-established recitations of the Qur'an may be chosen. However, recitations considered unusual or strange may not be chosen. This is because they might lead some people who are unable to understand the truth of the matter into sign. The HANAFI imams have chosen the recitations of Abu Amr and HAFS, transmitted from Asim 415. There is nitrogen monoxide objection to reciting the Holy Qur'an in the order of the SURAHs during prayer. However, for a resident, one who is settled, it is sunnah to recite the so-called Mufassal SURAHs. That is to say, as for the amount of recitation, the sunnah for a traveler is to recite any surah of their choice after the Fatiha. Whether one is an imam or not, the sunnah for a resident is to recite after the Fatiha in the morning and noon prayers, one of the surahs known as the Tival-i Mufassal, and in the afternoon and evening prayers, one of the surahs known as the Evsat-i Mufassal, and from the Kisar-i Mufassal surahs during the evening prayer. The surahs from the Hujurat Sura to the end of the Buruj Sura constitute the Tival-i Mufassal. The surahs from Tariq to the end of Lem Yekun are the Evsat-i Mufassal. The SURAHs following. These are the short Mufassal. The reason these SURAHs are called Mufassal is that they are separated from one another by the Basmala. 416 in the RAK'AHS of prayers where a portion of the Qur'an must be recited after the Fatiha Surah. It is more virtuous to recite a complete surah. However, it is permissible to recite part of a surah in one rak'ah and the remaining part in the next rak'ah. There is nitrogen monoxide dislikeness in this 417. According to the correct opinion, it is not disliked to recite the end of one surah in one rak'ah and the end of another surah in the next rak'ah. 418. There is no dislike act in reciting from the beginning or middle of one surah in one rak'ah and from the beginning or end of another surah in the next rak'ah, or in reciting a short surah. However, it is better not to recite in this manner unless it is absolutely necessary. 419. It is not disliked to recite one surah in one rak'ah and another surah in the next rak'ah, provided that there are 2 or more surahs in between. However, it is disliked to have a surah in between. However, if the surah that is omitted is at least 3 verses longer than the one recited earlier, it is not disliked. 420 in prayer. It is not disliked to move from one verse of a surah to another with at least 2 verses in between. However, it is better not to do so unless there is a necessity. 421. There is nitrogen monoxide dislikeness in reciting 2 suras together in one rak'ah. However, if one or a few suras are left out in between, it becomes disliked. However, in obligatory prayers, it is better not to combine 2 SURAHs in a single rak'ah. 422. Unless absolutely necessary, it is disliked makruh to move from one verse to another within a single rak'ah. This applies even if there are 3 verses between them. If such a transition is made by mistake and is later recalled, these verses are recited again in their original order. 423. When reciting the Qur'an during prayer, if one verse is recited instead of another, the following applies. If one has paused completely before beginning another verse, the prayer is not invalidated. For example, reciting the verses VEL ASR and INNEL EBRARA LEFİ NAİM after INNEL İNSANE. However, if another verse is joined to the one being recited without a pause, if the meaning does not change, the prayer is still not invalidated. It is like reciting indeed. Those who believe and do righteous deeds, for them is the garden of paradise as a place of abode instead of indeed. Those who believe and do righteous deeds, for them is the best reward. However, if the meaning has changed, according to all scholars of Islamic law, the prayer is void. Reading the above verses as verily, those who believe and do righteous deeds are the best of creatures. 424 if a single verse is repeated, or if a surah is recited twice in one rak'ah, or if a surah is recited in 2 rak'ahs, IT is considered. If this prayer is a voluntary nafila, prayer performed alone, IT is not disliked. However, if IT is an obligatory prayer, IT is disliked unless there is an excuse, such as forgetting or not knowing another. Surah 425 If Surah. Nas is recited in the first rak'ah. IT is appropriate to recite this surah in the second rak'ah as well, because repeating is better than going back to read again. However, if a person praying with recitation has recited the muawwidhatayn suras in the first rak'ah, in the second rak'ah, after the Fatiha, they recite a portion of Surah Al-Baqarah 426 in the second rak'ah. It is disliked makruh to recite the surah that follows the one recited in the first rak'ah. If done unintentionally, it is not disliked. However, if one has already begun reciting it, one should not stop. Some scholars state that this is not disliked in voluntary prayers. 427. IT is disliked to recite the subbanik, a uzu bismillah, and the word amen aloud during prayer. 428. It is makruh to finish the verses recited while standing while in ruku. Counting the verses and surahs recited during prayer with one's fingers is also makruh, according to Imam al-Azam. According to two imams, there is nitrogen monoxide objection to this. 429. IT is disliked to make the first rak'ah of voluntary prayers longer than the second. However, if there is a hadith transmitted from the Prophet, IT is not disliked. Example, according to a narration, the Prophet recited Surah in the first rak'ah of the witr prayer, Surah kafiran, and the Ila Surah in the third rak'ah. According to Imam Muhammad, only in the Tarawih prayers may the first rak'ahs be longer than the second rak'ahs. 430. In both obligatory and voluntary prayers, making the second rak'ah longer than the first is disliked. However, there is nitrogen monoxide dislikeness in making the third rak'ah longer than the first and second rak'ahs in nafil prayers. This is because in nafil prayers, each pair of rak'ahs is considered a separate prayer. 431. It is disliked for a person who is praying to say, "O Lord, protect me from the fire," or asking Allah for forgiveness is disliked. There is nitrogen monoxide objection to one who prays a voluntary prayer alone making such a dua. 432. If, after reciting the Sunnah portion of the Qur'an during prayer, one feels a moment of stumbling or confusion, one should immediately go into ruku and should not move on to another verse or surah. However, if one has not yet recited the Sunnah portion, there is nitrogen monoxide dislikeness in moving on to another part. 433. The Holy Qur'an should be recited slowly and with clear pronunciation of the letters during obligatory prayers. In Tarawih prayers, however, one should recite in a manner that balances slow and faster recitation. In other night prayers, it may be recited quickly. However, IT must be recited in a way that the meaning is understandable, and there should be nitrogen monoxide errors in Tajweed. 434. When reciting the Qur'an aloud during prayer and outside of prayer, IT is considered acceptable to recite using a melodic tone solely to enhance the sound and adorn the recitation. For in a hadith, Zayyinu Qur'an bio asvatikum, embellish the Holy Qur'an with your voices. IT is stated, provided that this does not alter the meaning, the original words are not distorted, and the rules of Tajweed are followed. Letters should not be drawn out, so that one letter is read as two. This is the case with some muezzins who, while performing their duty of calling the prayer, add an extra aleph and say, Rabbina leko hamd, Rab means God, while Rab means stepfather, since such melodies can alter the meaning and thus invalidate the prayer. One must avoid them. Conclusion: if the meaning of the Quranic words changes due to such a melody, the prayer is invalidated. However, if the change in the letters known as med in line is not extreme, the prayer is not invalidated. If IT is extreme, the prayer is invalidated, even if the meaning does not change.